Ever feel like you're playing a game of Monopoly with your own money, but you never got the rulebook? You're not alone. We're taught algebra and history in school, but what about the most crucial subject of all, money? Today, let's dive into a money lesson that could totally change your financial future. A lesson you probably never learned in a classroom. Ready for it? It's the concept of paying yourself first. I know it sounds simple, almost too simple, but think about it. What do most of us do when we get paid? We pay our rent, our bills, our credit cards. We buy groceries, maybe a little something nice for ourselves, and whatever is left over, if anything, goes into savings. We're paying everyone else first and ourselves last. But what if we flipped the script? What if the very first bill you paid each month was to your future self? Before you pay for anything else, you transfer a set amount, say 10% or 20% of your paycheck, directly into a separate savings or investment account. This isn't your emergency fund. This is your build wealth fund. By making this a non-negotiable automatic transaction, you are prioritizing your long-term financial well-being. You'll be amazed at how you naturally adjust your spending to fit the money that's left. It forces you to be more intentional with your cash. You're no longer saving what's left after spending. You're spending what's left after saving. This one simple shift in mindset and habit is the foundation of building wealth for millions of people. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and put to work for you. So, this payday, try it out. Pay yourself first, even if it's just a small amount to start. Your future self will thank you for it, big time. Thanks for watching. If this tip helped you see things in a new light, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple money lessons that make a huge difference. See you in the next video.